Welcome to another Inspirio tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the Easy Ease function along with the Easy Ease in and the Easy Ease out in Adobe After Effects. You are now looking at an open composition in After Effects. And as you can see, we have two layers in our composition. The first layer is a blue rectangle and the second layer is a red rectangle. If I hit the space bar, you can see both rectangles move at the same speed. We are now going to apply the Easy Ease function to the red rectangle. We will start by selecting the red rectangle layer and using the P on your keyboard to reveal the keyframe and our position in the red layer. You can now see two keyframes, one at the start and one at about 3 seconds. Select both keyframes using a lasso with your mouse or shift-clicking on both keyframes. Now right-click on either keyframe and move down to the Keyframe Assistant and select Easy Ease or F9. We can see the Easy Ease has applied to the red box because the dots are compressed more as you get closer to the start or finish. Also, our keyframes now look like hourglasses. Let's hit the space bar to start the motion of both rectangles. Notice how the red rectangle starts and ends slower than the blue rectangle. Now you might be asking, what is Easy Ease in and Easy Ease out? You use Easy Ease in if you want to only ease into a single keyframe, and Easy Ease out if you want to ease out of a single keyframe. Hit Ctrl Z to remove our Easy Ease. Let's create a new keyframe in the middle of our two current keyframes. Now right-click on the keyframe and go down to the Keyframe Assistant and select Easy Ease In. The keyframe now has an Easy Ease In arrow. Let's hit the spacebar and now you can see the red rectangle eases into the keyframe. And you'll notice we also created a slight pause in the movement of the red rectangle. Now if we go back and select our first keyframe, we can select Easy Ease Out. Notice the keyframe has an Easy Ease Out arrow. One other must-know features when using the Easy Ease is the graph editor. When we click on the graph editor, we see a graph with a red line showing our Easy Ease in action. Now there's more than just a graph that we just brought up. We also brought up the various controls used to change the graph. Start from the right, we have an Easy Ease Out, then an Easy Ease In, and an Easy Ease. Now let's say we want to make our Easy Ease take longer to ease in and out. Then we want to select the separate dimension icon. This has cleared our previous settings. Now simply select the keyframe you want to use. Let's select the middle keyframe. After selection, move back to the Easy Ease and select it. You should see two handles attached to the keyframe. By adjusting the handles, you adjust the speed. Let's make ours move slower. We will need to move both handles out further. Now you'll see our pause even lasts longer. I hope this tutorial helped you today. And remember to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Thank you.